Hey guys, computertastic here with another review. This one is a EcoDrift waterproof rugged speaker made by EcoGear, and I got this from Costco for $50. It's a waterproof speaker. It also floats, and it's supposed to be dustproof as well. It even has EcoTalk for Siri and OK Google. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So I guess first of all, I'm gonna cut open the top. It's really thick cardboard, so I don't know how this is gonna open, but I know we gotta cut it. Ooh, definitely tricky to get into. It's a lot of strength on the scissors. I don't know if that's a good idea, but we'll get it. Rip it open! Rip it open! Okay, so there's the USB charging cable, and apparently there's no wall plug, so you're gonna have to plug it into a computer or something. Oh, user guide, don't need that. Carabiner with a little tripod mount, which is kind of cool. And there's the speaker. And I already listened to this in the store, and it was pretty loud. Obviously, I will do a review of this as well, just to kind of give you an idea. But yeah, that's the speaker, and actually feels pretty nice. I obviously will do the review, like I said. And yeah, this concludes the unboxing of the EcoDrift waterproof speaker. Definitely something to look at. Like I said, $50 at Costco, pretty good deal. And yeah, I'll let you guys know my thoughts. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. If you remember, if you like this unboxing, to like it, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.